Alrighty, hello, good day and welcome. My name is Mr. JB and today we are going through another PhotoPea tutorial. Today we're going through creating a light beam. So this can be something from a lamp or some source of light that you want to kind of highlight or show. Now, if you're doing something more anime-esque, you don't have to do the final step, but we'll talk about that in just a second. To begin, we want to go to our new layer, which is in the bottom right here beside our garbage can. Then we just end up with a base layer. From here, we're going to select our rectangle select or use the quick button M over in the top left of our screen. And basically, however wide we want to end up having that, we will end up making a big square. Now, obviously, this light isn't going to be this big. It'll make sense in a second. When we select our gradient tool, which is over here on the left, we're going to make sure that you end up selecting the foreground to transparent, which is the second option. And then we just want to end up dragging this down and kind of choosing how intense we want this light to be. Now, it's a big square, so it doesn't look super great. We're going to go to edit. We are going to end up going to transform, and we are going to go to perspective. We need to adjust these things. We're just going to end up dragging our light in. Maybe we need to end up moving it a little bit over. And excellent. Press Ctrl D to deselect, so it is just your light. And as I mentioned before, if you want it to be just an anime or a cartoon style, these direct straight lights will work great. But if we want to look a little bit more realistic, we are going to end up having our layer 1 selected as it currently is. Go to Filter, Blur, and then Gaussian Blur. Depending on how intense you want this to be, you can choose whatever it is that you want for that. I'm just going to leave it at 7.2 because that looks pretty okay for my image. And with that, that is all. This is a really quick tutorial, really quick steps to go through this. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you learned something. Have a wonderful day, take care, and be safe.